Hello YouTube, Triumph Guy here today, and I'm going to be changing the rear tail light bulb on this Audi A6 C5. Now, I will put an affiliate link in the comments of where to get the bulb from on Amazon, and I will get a small commission. So thanks very much for supporting the channel, and it won't cost you any extra. So let's get to it. So lucky in this car, you do get a visual warning inside here to tell you the tail light's gone. So excuse all the tools. What we're going to do is just open up this compartment here. This will give you access to where the bulb is. So just going inside there, and as you can see, there's a lot of cables. Now, mine have been spliced for the tow bar electrics. But what we're going to do is just pull the cables out. So to get the cluster out, all you do is you just press these two inwards like that and just withdraw it. As you can see, that's the bulb there. It's just got a little bit black on it. To get the bulb out, all we're going to do is press in slightly and twist, and it will come out. So I'm going to show you with the old bulb, and what I'd do is wear some gloves so you're not getting your oil from your hands on this, which could then damage it in the future. And you're just going to put it in, and you should feel a bit of spring tension like that, and then just rotate it. Next, we're just going to put it in like that and push it in so it clips into place. So that should clip into place. Make sure that the bottom two are lined up and the top two are lined up. Give it a little pull to make sure it's not coming out, and then just get this and plug that in, and then we're going to try the lights. And there you go. So thanks very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you check the comments, there's going to be a playlist also for all things maintenance on this Audi A6 C5. So see you on the next one.